Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best iPhone tools repair kit for professionals, the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. Whether you're a repair technician, an avid DIY enthusiast, or someone who just doesn't want to pay exorbitant repair fees, this toolkit has everything you need to safely and efficiently open and fix your devices. Let's start with what makes this kit so indispensable. The iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit is engineered with precision, built for professionals, and trusted by techs all around the world. It's designed specifically for repairing not just iPhones, but a wide array of electronics, laptops, tablets, game consoles, cameras, and more. Opening the toolkit, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek magnetic case that keeps all the tools securely in place. Inside, you get a comprehensive 64-bit driver kit that includes all the bits you'll need: Torx, Phillips, Pentalobe, and even specialty bits for those rare screws. These bits are made from high-quality S2 steel, ensuring durability and a solid grip on even the most stubborn fasteners. The ergonomic screwdriver handle is lightweight but grippy, giving you fine control during delicate repairs. It features an integrated swivel top, a magnetic bit socket, and a knurled grip that ensures minimal slipping, even during the most intricate jobs. But iFixit didn't stop there. You also get tools for prying and opening devices safely. There's a set of precision tweezers, a spudger, a jimmy tool, and multiple plastic opening tools that prevent you from damaging delicate components. These non-conductive tools are crucial for preventing electrical shorts, especially when you're deep inside a motherboard or battery replacement project. One of the most impressive inclusions is the anti-static wrist strap. This is an essential tool for professional-grade repairs, as it helps discharge any static electricity from your body, protecting sensitive internal electronics from unseen damage. Then there's the suction handle, perfect for lifting iPhone screens without putting too much pressure on the glass. It gives you the leverage you need without cracking the display. Add to that the magnetic pad, which keeps your screws organized and prevents them from rolling off your workspace. Simple, but incredibly effective. The portability of this toolkit is another huge plus. Whether you're working from your home desk or on-site for a client, the compact form factor and neatly organized layout make it easy to carry and set up. It all fits into a durable polyester tool roll that unrolls to display every tool in plain sight, saving time and reducing the hassle of searching for the right piece. This isn't a cheap throw-together set. It's been developed over a decade of experience from the iFixit team, who've written repair guides for virtually every popular device out there. The toolkit reflects that expertise, offering the right balance of quality, quantity, and usability. Whether you're swapping out a battery, replacing a cracked screen, upgrading an SSD, or repairing console internals, the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit empowers you to do it confidently and precisely. That's it for today's product critique. If you're serious about iPhone repair, or any electronics repair, this is the kit to own. Make sure to subscribe for more breakdowns of professional-grade tools and gear. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.